Hey Wanda, my name is Lee Terbienic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback after you watch the video. So let's jump right in. 3 major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is any writing that you see on your screen right now. And as you can see, you do have some content, but Google likes to see around 1,500 words of keyword-rich optimized content. And I'm seeing you have some, but not really any SEO keywords on there. So maybe 200 words. So I did a quick search for Notary Middlesex County, NJ. And I see that this Notarize is in the top position. This is a Yelp. So I wanted to see what kind of content she had. And as you can see, she doesn't really have much either. So if you were to go get 1,500 words, you'd easily be beating her out. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is this Google Map Pack. So this is the GMB or Google Map Pack. And what ranks you in this section is called a citation. So that's your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook even has a spot. And as you can see, Online Notary NJ is in first place. Now, I don't know if you know this, but this is a completely separate thing from your actual website. You need to fill out a form to create your GMB listing and get a code and send the code back in, and then you can start to add citations to it. But the best part about this is I wanted to see what Online Notary NJ had for citations, so I have this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. And I put her information in there, and she only has 5 citations. Very beatable, easy to beat, and she only really has one that's giving her any sort of real power. So if you were to go out and get 80 to 100 for your business, you would easily be beating her out and be getting a lot of business from being in this top 3 map pack. That was citations, and this third thing that I'm going to talk about is backlinks, and that's what ranks you for your website down here. Now, a backlink is when one website links to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them before throughout text on a website where you click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves those and Google eats those up. So the more backlinks you have from other websites, the better for your ranking. I have this tool I use called Ahrefs, and this will show me a basic overview of your site. Now, you don't really have a real WordPress site, or let's say Weebly. This is one of those business sites, so your numbers aren't going to pull up for me, unfortunately. But let's take a look at your competition. That new, let's see who's in first here, the Notarize company down here. So they have a 10 and a 37. This UR is the overall trust flow of your website, and this DR is the strength of their backlink profile. So as you can see, they only have 1 referring domain, giving them 2 backlinks. Very beatable. If you were to go out and get some powerful authoritative backlinks and get your website redone, you could easily be in the top position for this keyword. But let's see what kind of search volume there is. Middlesex County Clerk. There's 1,400 searches a month for this keyword. This will show me the exact keyword people are typing each and every month, how many times, and how hard it is to rank for it. Meaning, if it's a 0, that means there's not many people with this keyword. If it's 100 or low, like 50 to 100, that means there's a lot of people trying to rank for it. So Middlesex County Clerks of Courts, 150. That's 150 people each and every month. Middlesex County Clerk and Land Records, Deed Search, Middlesex County Clerk's Office. So County Clerk, Deed Search. Like I said, there's a lot, but I wanted to look and see for Notary. And like I said, if I were to dig into this more for you, I could tell you some more exact keywords if you wanted to work with me. But let's see what comes up for Notary. So Notary, New Brunswick, New Jersey is a 30, and it's a 0. So that's 30 people each and every month typing, looking for a notary in New Brunswick, New Jersey. So, and that's where that 1,500 words on your home page comes through. So you can put like 10 of these special keywords throughout it. So when someone types it in, Google recognizes it in your content and pulls it to you if you are ranking in the top spot. So let's go over what we talked about. The first thing we spoke about was content. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your home page of keyword-rich content. Second thing was citations, and that's what ranks you in this GMB or Google Map Pack section. And as you know, these people didn't have a lot, so if you were to go get 80 to 100 for your business, you would beat them out, plus get your name out there in more directories for people to find you. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, if you want the most effective route towards getting your website together, then give me a call and I can help you out. 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Wanda, and I hope you have a great day. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Thanks.